Today we're going to try to get up to the Ferris wheel, but only using aeroplane. And then, what? Okay, son. What is coming down? Stall warning. Okay. Stall warning. Get out. Get out, bro. We got to the Ferris wheel, but let's try climbing it again. Whoops. Okay, now. What? Okay, here. Bro. Okay. Now here. This must. Okay, I must really reach this. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's try again and come up. Okay, this is not working. This is not even working. What if I use this? This is not even working. Wow, wait, what? Okay. Wait, what? No way, I can't try to get it off. Okay then. Here, this is the plan, but man. Now I got to this part. Subscribe.